Yes, hello. Today, we teach the computer how to play ski free using machine learning. Now our preparations are complete. We've got the environment set up, we've got Unity's sample project running, and we made a blank Hello World project where we taught a ball to roll towards a cube. There's two main pieces we had to add to get this ball example working. The first one, collect observations, tells the ball, or agent, what values to care about. It cares about the target position, its own position, and its own velocity. Second part, on action received, moves the ball and then gives a reward based on its movement. We reward the agent when it's moved close enough to the target. So now we're ready to take what we learned and bring it in to ski free. So far, we've set up ski free assuming that a human will be playing with their mouse and that the course should repeat indefinitely. In order to get it working with ML Toolkit, we'll need to adjust how the course is generated so that we have a fixed target, and we'll have to adjust how the player moves so that ML Toolkit can manage the movement. And now I'm honored to present to you Ski Free ML Agent number 1. Ski Free ML Agent 1 is not working very well. To understand why, we have to take a look at the rewards we set up. The first one is that if the skier reaches the bottom of the slope, it receives a large positive reward. The second is if the skier hits a tree, it receives a large negative reward. Now, the skier never gets far enough to get the positive reward at the bottom, so the only thing it cares about is avoiding trees, and quite cleverly, it's figured out the best way to avoid trees is just to stall going left and right forever. Here are the changes I've made to the rewards to try to get our agent skiing downhill. When the agent is pointing straight down, it gets a positive reward. When the agent is shuffling side to side, it gets a negative reward. When the agent is gaining speed by going downhill, it gets a positive reward. If the agent is closer to the target than the last time we checked, it gets a positive reward. And finally, when it reaches the goal, it gets a positive reward. Overall, I'd say our skier is pretty bad. But we've got things set up and we've got lots of room to improve. If you have any ideas on how I could tweak the rewards to get some more attractive skiing action, please let me know. Or if you'd like to give me a positive reward, you could like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.